Today, I am reviewing Dell 1650-640 Business Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a laptop that strikes the perfect balance between performance, portability, and professional features, then the Dell 1650-640 Business Laptop is a machine you'll definitely want to consider. Dell has a long-standing reputation for building reliable and efficient laptops, and this model continues that legacy with impressive hardware, thoughtful design, and productivity-focused features that make it stand out. Let's dive into a detailed look at what this laptop offers and why it might be the right fit for you. Let's begin with performance, because that's often the deciding factor for professionals and students alike. At the heart of this Dell 16 laptop is the Intel Core i7-150 processor. This is a 14th generation, 10-core CPU that can reach speeds up to 5.4 GHz. In everyday use, that means you'll experience quick responsiveness, whether you're working in Excel, compiling reports, analyzing financial data, or even running multiple applications at once. What truly sets this configuration apart is the 64 GB of DDR5 RAM. That's an incredible amount of memory for a laptop in this category, and it allows you to handle heavy multitasking with ease. You could be running video calls, dozens of browser tabs, large presentations, and design software simultaneously without slowing down. Pair that with a massive 2TB SSD, and not only do you get lightning-fast file access, but you'll also have enough space for years of documents, media, and software installations. Now, let's shift to the display and visuals. The Dell 1650-640 comes with a 16-inch Full HD Plus display, offering a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. The 16:10 aspect ratio gives you more vertical workspace compared to the typical 16:9 screen. This is a subtle but important detail, especially for productivity, because it means you see more lines of text or data on your screen without scrolling as much. The display is also a touchscreen, which adds an extra layer of convenience. Whether you're browsing, annotating PDFs, or sketching quick ideas, being able to tap and interact directly with the screen makes work feel more intuitive. While this isn't a high refresh rate gaming display for business and study purposes, the color accuracy and sharpness are excellent, and it delivers vibrant visuals for streaming or presentations. Moving on to the design, Dell has managed to give this laptop a professional yet stylish look. The ice blue finish stands out from the usual silver and black options we see in most business laptops. It gives it a modern and refreshing appeal without looking flashy. The laptop is only 0.74 inches thick and weighs about 3.65 pounds, making it surprisingly portable for a 16-inch device. Whether you're carrying it around campus, between meetings, or traveling for work, it's slim and light enough to slip into a bag without hassle. When it comes to security and user experience, Dell doesn't disappoint. You get a fingerprint reader, which makes logging in quick and secure. No more typing long passwords each time, just a touch and you're in. The backlit keyboard is another thoughtful addition, especially for those who work late at night or in dim environments. On top of that, the dedicated AI Copilot key taps into Windows 11 Pro's built-in AI features. Imagine having instant assistance for drafting emails, summarizing notes, or researching topics. It's like having an intelligent productivity partner right on your keyboard. Let's talk about connectivity, because no modern laptop is complete without it. The Dell 16 supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast and stable wireless performance for everything from online classes to Zoom meetings. On the port selection side, Dell includes a generous variety: a USB-C port with DisplayPort and power delivery, 2 USB-A ports, an HDMI port, a universal audio jack, and even an SD card reader. This wide selection means you won't need to rely on dongles or adapters just to connect to projectors, monitors, or external drives. That's a huge plus for business users and students who move between different environments. Battery life is another critical factor, and here the Dell 1650-640 delivers up to 10 hours of use on a single charge. Of course, this will depend on your workload. Heavy multitasking or streaming will reduce it, but for a standard day of productivity, you can expect reliable, all-day power. This makes it an excellent companion for travel or long work sessions away from the charger. In terms of real-world performance, this laptop is designed primarily for business, education, and productivity. If you're a student managing online classes and assignments, this machine can handle everything with ease. For business professionals, it has the power to run demanding applications, handle multiple meetings, and store huge amounts of data. Developers will also appreciate the extra RAM and storage for handling coding projects and virtual machines. While it's not a high-end gaming laptop, it can still handle light creative work like Photoshop or video editing thanks to the Intel graphics and powerful CPU. So, what are the pros and cons? On the plus side, you get an extremely powerful processor, massive amounts of RAM, a huge SSD, a vibrant 16-inch touchscreen, and great security features, all wrapped in a slim, stylish design. The addition of AI Copilot and excellent connectivity options really push it over the top as a productivity powerhouse. On the downside, it's not designed for hardcore gamers or graphics-heavy professionals, and some people might prefer a brighter or higher refresh display for media editing. But for its target audience, business professionals, students, and productivity-focused users, it really checks all the right boxes. To wrap it all up, the Dell 1650-640 business laptop is a reliable and powerful choice if you're looking for a machine that can keep up with demanding workloads while remaining sleek and portable. With its Intel Core i7 processor, 64 GB of RAM, 2 TB of SSD storage, 16-inch FHD Plus touchscreen, and AI Copilot integration, this laptop is built for efficiency and long-term value. If you want a system that can handle serious multitasking and still look professional and modern, this Dell 16 deserves to be high on your list.